The next record that we are going to share today actually is almost, I would say, a white label. It comes from Truncate, and the title is Passive Aggressive on Truncate Limited 001. So let me show you the record that is spinning on the turntable. As you can see, it's like a hand printed. It's a very interesting release. It has 4 tracks. I can't get tired of playing, and yeah, it comes from the legend Truncate. It's something that truly makes you feel the sound signature, I would say, that Truncate put into his records. A lot of crazy rhythms and precise tweak actions that make this record an instant classic, I would say. I played it in multiple sets, and there are different versions that make it versatile. You can keep it in your record bag, whether you are opening or you are playing at peak time. There's always one of the versions that you that you can play. I really enjoy it. This is a unique release. I searched for it, I finally managed to get a copy, and I'm very happy to share it with you. So this is Passive Aggressive, Truncate Limited 001. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Stay tuned and enjoy. What a wonderful release. I definitely think this record is not going to leave my record bag anytime soon. Turnkate Limited 001, Secret Weapon. Feel free to discover more about this track. It's a fantastic mix of incredibly hypnotic rhythms, incredibly versatile record. Enjoy it. Do not miss. Stay tuned on this series of productions.